The Big Biz with Sunny on Big 106.2.
बिग 106.2 पर मैं हूँ सनी और मैं आ गया हूँ आपके साथ ऑन बिग बिज संडे टू वेंसडे 11 से लेकर 1 बजे तक. टुडे आई बी फीचरिंग अ स्पेशल गेस्ट. आई बी फीचरिंग अ मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट. हिज नेम इज डॉक्टर दीपक दुबे हु इज फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल मॉडर्न हॉस्पिटल एंड ही स्पेशलाइजेज इन इंटरनल मेडिसिन. हाय डॉक्टर, कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ. बिग हेलो टू एवरीवन लिसनिंग टू दिस चैनल.
सर, मुझे आपसे पूछना था 2020 का आपका टेक क्या है? 2020 का ऑब्वियसली इट्स बीन अ चैलेंज बट वी गेटिंग ओवर द ईयर एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ कमिंग इन. 2020 के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Yes, 2020 definitely was a very stressful year for everyone, especially for the people working in the medical fraternity, the doctors, nurses, and all the paramedical staff. In the month of January, February, we came to know about this pandemic happening, and nobody knew exactly how it's going to fare, how it's going to progress. But over a period of time, in 1 year, we now know a lot about the virus and how it's affecting and how lethal it can be, and how to treat the patients and prevent the disease from happening. It has been a very positive outcome as far as the way the people have adhered to the kind of advices given by the medical fraternity, like distancing, social distancing, wearing the mask and the gloves.
सर, ग्रैंड सैल्यूट जाता है आप जैसे लोगों पर जो हु आर सुपर हीरोज, जो लोगों को क्योर करके यू आर हेल्पिंग देम बाउंस बैक. वैक्सीन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमने सुना था कि साइनोफार्म का जो वैक्सीन है, यूके में फाइजर के वैक्सीन शॉट्स लोग ले रहे हैं. यहाँ पर साइनोफार्म का जो वैक्सीन है एक्सट्रीमली सक्सेसफुल रहा है. आपका where do you think this might take us to? Obviously 2021 looks way brighter.
Yeah, of course. After getting the news that the vaccines have been prepared already and they have approved also for the use in UK and US, and already it's been used. Sinopharm vaccine is used in UAE, and a lot of people have taken it also. And so far no adverse other effects have been notified. And of course the DHF gives the guidelines about how to go about it and who all can take it and who should avoid it.
इसके टाइमलाइंस तो हमें पता चलते ही रहेंगे, पर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, since you specialize in internal medicine, I'd like to ask you, you deal with ailments like blood pressure, metabolic related ailments, diabetes, hypertension, even cholesterol related ailments. What's your take on ये issues कम हुए हैं, ज़्यादा हुए हैं, and what's the trend that you see in terms of internal medicine?
As far as these metabolic disorders are concerned, it's an increasing trend.
Right.
Because the lifestyle has become very sedentary, and people, they do not have time to go and check all these problems, which are silent diseases. These are silent. 90% of the times, hypertension and diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and uric acid problems. These are all silent. These are all part of metabolic syndrome.
Gee.
Because the person is not taking proper care, he's not exercising, he's eating food which he shouldn't be eating. All these things lead to the development of these problems.
Right.
And the basic thing to identify it early is to prevent the damage to the organs. Like hypertension is not going to cause a sudden problem, but over a period of time, it's going to damage the heart, it's going to damage the vessels, blood vessels, and the kidneys.
Right.
So it's imperative to check it and find it out in a person, especially if there is a family history of all these problems. They should be very vigilant in going to the doctor and finding out whether they have the problem or not.
Fantastic. मेरी कॉन्वर्जेशन चल रही है डॉक्टर दीपक दुबे के साथ, हु इज एन इंटरनल मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल मॉडर्न हॉस्पिटल. मेरी कॉन्वर्जेशन उनके साथ जारी रहेगी, पर इस सुपर हिट गाने के बाद. स्टे ट्यून टू बिग 106.2.
The Big Biz with Sunny on Big 106.2.
वेल, वेलकम बैक टू बिग 106.2. सनी के साथ चल रहा है बिग बिज, जहां पर मेरी कॉन्वर्जेशन चल रही है आज एक मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट के साथ. डॉक्टर दीपक दुबे इज फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल मॉडर्न हॉस्पिटल. ही स्पेशलाइजेज इन इंटरनल मेडिसिन. और डॉक्टर, मुझे बताइए कि बहुत सारी स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी रिलेटेड एलिमेंट्स है, व्हेन इट कम्स टू ब्लड प्रेशर, मेटाबॉलिक रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर्स, डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंशन. व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स एंड हाउ कैन वन बी बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड टू फेस दीज?
See, all diseases have, like hypertension has a different set of symptoms, and the diabetes have different. If you come to diabetes, which is very common, it is like everybody in the family, they see patients, they have the relative who is suffering from diabetes. Diabetes sometimes is asymptomatic. Asymptomatic means it does not have any symptom.
Right.
And if and all people are not going to get the same kind of symptoms. Some will have the more pronounced symptoms are like weight loss, blurring of vision, some tingling, numbness in the limbs. There can be boils and infections which do not heal very early, and these are very overt symptoms.
Right.
And if these symptoms are present, then basically if you just go and check your blood sugar, and if it is more than 200 milligrams, then you can say this person is diabetes. And there are other ways to diagnose this in like pre-diabetes state.
Okay.
There is a state called as a pre-diabetes where the person is not in a diabetic state, but he can go into diabetes if he doesn't modify his lifestyle and doesn't change the way he's living. So there are certain values like HbA1c of between 5.7 to 6.3 can be called as a pre-diabetic range. If you find it's a random test, you don't have to go fasting or anything, just go to the doctor at any time. If you do this test and you find that this is the limit, then you can suspect and you can know that this person is pre-diabetic, and if not taken care, probably he will go into over-diabetes.
Right. तो ये बताइए कि if I am pre-diabetic, how can I curb it?
Weight loss is one thing, because pre-diabetes is when the phase where there is insulin resistance.
Right.
Insulin resistance happens when your body fat increases.
Ji.
The more the fat in the body, the more resistant the insulin becomes to act. Insulin is to act on the cells. It's like a key to open the lock so that the glucose can go into the cell.
Okay.
Now, if the person is obese, this key doesn't work, or the lock becomes unfunctional. I mean, there is something wrong with the lock. So if you reduce the weight and the body weight and you reduce the fat, the key and the lock start working. So that's the basis of treating with diet and exercise in the initial phase.
So general lifestyle changes की अगर बात की जाए, you're talking about losing weight and staying active.
Yes, that's what I'm.
तो बताइए, there's one thing that is stress जो हम सब की जिंदगी का एक normal हिस्सा बन चुका है. इसे कैसे टैप किया जाए? Because when it comes to heart related ailments, when it comes to hypertension, it's all related to how we lead these active lifestyles through stress, right?
Yes, of course. Stress is one of the factors. It is not the only factor.
Gee. What are the factors?
There is one is the strongest factor is the family history.
Okay.
If there is a strong family history of hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, then you have more likely chances of getting these problems.
Right.
Or a heart disease in early age, like below the age of 50, somebody in the family, father or mother has, then you should be more vigilant. And stress, of course, is one of the factors. Mm-hmm. Lifestyle, the family history is another one. Then history of smoking is another one. Mm-hmm. Then obesity is another risk factor. There are modifiable risk factors and non-modifiable risk factors.
Right.
Modifiable is like what we can modify, like smoking. If you smoke, you can modify it, stop it, and your risk factor goes away.
Right.
Obesity, you can reduce your weight and it goes away. But family history is non-modifiable. You cannot change your family. So that remains. But you have to take care of the modifiable risk factors. And like cholesterol, you have to, if there is hyperlipidemia, there's more chances of developing heart diseases and neurological strokes and other things. So you have to control your cholesterol also.
Well, that's a very valuable insight, Doctor. मेरी conversation जारी रहेगी Dr. Deepak Dubey के साथ, right here on Big 106.2.
The Big Biz with Sunny on Big 106.2.
Well, Big 106.2 पे चल रहा है Big Biz. मेरा नाम है Sunny. I'm here with you Sunday to Wednesday 11 से लेकर 1 बजे तक. And we talk about everything related to health, talking about business, we talk about lifestyle, traveling, so on and so forth. मेरी conversation आज चल रही है Dr. Deepak Dubey के साथ, who is an internal medicine specialist from International Modern Hospital. Doctor, आपने blood pressure की बात की, metabolic related diseases की बात की, diabetes की बात की, hypertension, cholesterol, which eventually leads to cardiovascular issues. But 2021 mein, what is the suggestion or the advice that you'd want to give to everyone listening?
Yeah, definitely. See, whether it is 2021 or years ahead, the mantra is the same, that you have to change your lifestyle, you have to modify your lifestyle. As I've said, that there are some risk factors which you have to curb, like you have to avoid. And some modifiable risk factors, as I told you, smoking, you have to stop. Like the people who are smoking too much and they have a strong family history, they are adding their risk factors. So one thing which you have to do is to avoid things which are affecting your health. Another thing is lifestyle modification includes your exercise routine, your diet. You have to see that you don't eat too much of a high carbohydrate diet, high fat diet, and you have to see that you are exercising routinely. Mm-hmm. Every day you have to take out time and check your body weight and see that it's maintained. And you have to live a healthy lifestyle and eat like a lot of fruits and drink juices, and that's how you have to just think. There are not too many things. They are very simple things and very easy doing things which can be done easily, but you have to stick to it, adhere to it, and consistently do it.
डॉक्टर, आप क्या लाइफस्टाइल लीड करते हो, just so that we all can learn? What's the pattern that you follow?
I avoid taking high fat diet. I avoid taking a lot of sugars and so salt intake should also be restricted. And I routinely exercise, maybe a jog or a little bit of gym, some weightlifting, not too heavy, but just to keep the body muscle toned and the bones strong.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Dr. Dubey, for joining us. और आपकी एडवाइस के साथ, obviously, we all hope to live active and healthier lifestyles in 2020.
Yeah, all the best to all of you.
Thank you so much. This is Big 106.2. हमारी conversation हमारे medical expert के साथ चल रही थी. And keep you posted on more great content coming away. Stay tuned to Big 106.2.